Welcome to this training. I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted user profile in Windows 11. These are common signs that your user profile is corrupted in Windows 11. You are stuck on signing in. The user profile service failed the sign in. The black screen after login. The settings won't save no matter what you try. This app can open error. And the start menu not working. No matter what you click, it does not respond. You have a reset desktop. It's reset to default. You have been signing with a temporary profile. You can access your files and your settings won't be saved. So when you have all this, just know you are likely having a corrupted user profile. You resolve it by deleting the corrupted user profile. Do this. Click on Property, Advanced System Settings, Advanced, under User Profile, Settings. Select the affected profile. Delete. Click Yes. But before you do this, make sure you back up the user files on the desktop, document, and downloads.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.